Greetings everyone. So today I want to show you how you can set up a routine if your alarm is supported by your voice assistant to automatically arm it for you at night so you don't have to worry about arming it yourself. Okay, so if your security system has a feature where it can connect to your voice assistant, your Amazon voice assistant that is, where you can control the arm and disarm of it, then you can set up routines to make it automatically do some things for you without you actually doing it. Mainly arming your system for you in case you fall asleep or you might forget. So let's dive right into the routine and set it up right now. So we're going to go to routine as always, and then we're going to click the plus sign. And then we're going to call this arm system. We're going to click next, and then we're going to click the plus sign. Just like the previous routine, we're going to use the schedule. We're going to use at time, and then we want to do it every day of the week. Then we want to select a time frame. Now you can choose whatever time is best for you. I'm going to choose 7 p.m. Going to click OK. Now you want to choose the action that's going to activate your alarm system. So you want to click add, and then you want to go down to smart home, and then you want to go all devices. Now you want to find your security system on the list. Make sure your security system is compatible with your Amazon voice assistant and it has the skill installed for it to actually talk to your system. So now that I've found my system, I'm going to click on it and it's going to give me two options. I can select arm away and arm stay. So I'm going to choose arm stay, and then I'm going to click next. And then all I have to do now is just click save, and that routine is ready to go. So now every day at 7 p.m. it's going to put my system in arm stay mode. So like I said, if your system is capable of working with your Amazon voice assistant, you can set up a routine like this to make it easy for you to just make things happen without you intervening all the time. Setting your security system to home mode at night before you go to bed is something that we do on a daily basis anyway. So why not let your Amazon voice assistant take care of all of that for you without you actually worrying about it? All right, so that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for taking the time for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Any questions, leave it in the comment section. Until I see you next time, have a good one.